What's up, guys? This is the Lobster Freak, and there's a snow apocalypse going on in South Carolina today. I'm gonna show you that, show you the dogs running in it, and yeah, it's just gonna have a good old time. So, when I first got up at 8 o'clock this morning, there was nothing on the ground, and then about 30 minutes later, it started snowing. There's like, I don't even think there's an inch. Oh no, my dogs love it though. Right, Garrity? You enjoying that snow? The roads have gotten icy. But it's currently 28 degrees outside. Yeah, there's a good inch on the ground right now. Let's go check out the road. Oh gosh, that's even frozen. That's frozen. That is frozen. Hold up. So I got out of the gate. Let's go check on the road. I'm currently in shorts, you know, because we don't get snow every day and I'm stupid. It is just coming down. So here's the roads. Oh gosh. It's getting slick. Don't go outside, or don't go drive. Don't go outside, that's stupid. Don't drive in this unless you have to. Oh gosh, my car. It's covered. My car is covered. Oh, and that's just ice. Ooh, a snowball. Alright, I'm going back inside. So that's the snow we're getting down in the south. It's not much, but people freak out. The whole city will be shut down all weekend long, probably. And people, like, yesterday, the grocery stores were just insane. Like, people go nuts. If you live down in the south, you understand what I'm talking about. The snowstorm came up south from Atlanta. I know Atlanta didn't get anything, but it hit Charlotte. And I think I read online earlier this morning there were like 450 car accidents out on the road so far, so just be careful if you have to go out anywhere. And yeah, I'll be inside by the fire drinking a nice cup of coffee, you know, just enjoying the view, and you guys stay warm. This is the Lobster Freak. Hope you guys have a good day.